linear equation in two variables for standard 10, and this is part 16. So till now we were doing all word problems. Here we will do solve and find the value of x and y using the cross multiplication method. So this will be cross multiplication method. So in this method, first you have to write ax plus by, bring this constant also to the left hand side and do it, so that we can use this method for that. So ax plus by minus of a minus b equal to 0, minus of a plus b equal to 0. If you write it in this method the same way, then you have to write here minus 1 instead of 1. So instead of that, you can always use the same method. So you can bring the right hand side, the constant in the right hand side to the left hand side and equal to right hand side equal to 0, and then use the same method, so that you don't get confused in your during your exam. So now you will write x, y instead of the constant. Here the constant place you write 1, then x and y. Write the coefficients of x and y and the constant here. So a, b, minus of a minus b, then again a and b. Similarly b minus a, minus of a plus b, then again b and minus a. Now for this method we have to write x divided by, now you will leave this and then take these two. So you will cross multiply like this. So first you will multiply these two minus these two. So it is b into minus of a plus b. So minus b into a plus b minus of minus a into minus of a minus b. So it becomes plus. So a into a minus b it will become equal to y divided by, so you will leave this, then you will take the next two columns. So this is b into minus of a minus b. So minus of b into a minus b minus a into minus a minus b. So it will become minus of a into a plus b, this minus this is equal to 1 divided by, so you will leave this, now you will take this 2. So minus a squared minus b squared. So you will get, now you will simplify. So x is equal to, the value of x will be, x is equal to, now this and this you will take. So you will bring, you can take this to the numerator, the denominator of this fraction will go to the numerator here. So it will be x is equal to, when you write you can also simplify along with that. So it will become minus ab minus b squared minus a squared plus ab by, this will be minus a squared minus b squared. So this is equal to, ab and ab will get cut. So you are left with minus b squared minus a squared by minus a squared minus b squared. So this is equal to, so this is equal to 1. So you get value of x is equal to 1. Now y is equal to, similarly y is equal to, you will take these two, you will consider, and this you can bring it to the numerator. So y is equal to minus ab plus b squared, then minus of minus will become plus. So plus a squared plus ab by minus a squared minus b squared. So here minus ab and plus ab will get cancelled. So I will get a squared plus b squared. So here I can write this as minus of a squared plus b squared. So this is equal to, this and this will get cancelled and you are left with minus 1. So the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. This is again an NCERT problem. So as I told you in the last problem, I have brought the RHS to the LHS side and written as equal to 0. And now x, y, 1, I have written all the coefficients. Now x divided by, so x divided by, so now you will multiply this, so you leave this, so a plus b into minus of, so minus of a squared plus b squared minus, now this, so minus, then minus, here minus is there, so minus a plus b into a squared minus 2ab minus b squared is equal to y divided by, so y divided by these two, so a plus b into, again minus is there, a squared minus 2ab minus b squared minus of this, so again here minus is there, so minus of a minus b into a squared plus b squared equal to 1 divided by, so leave this, so a minus b into a plus b minus a plus b the whole squared. Now x is equal to, now you have to simplify, so now we will take it to this numerator and also simplify along with that. Now this will become a cube ab squared, so x is equal to minus of a cube plus ab squared plus a squared b plus, otherwise I will take a plus b as common out, that will be much easier to do the calculation. So here a plus b is common, so this will become plus, minus and minus will become plus, so a plus b I am taking it out, so x is equal to, so this is minus, so I will write this as first, so a squared minus 2ab minus b squared, then you are left with minus of a squared minus b squared divided by, then this will be a squared minus b squared 1 by, yeah, minus of, this is a plus b the whole squared, it's the bracket is there, so I will open the bracket also along with expansion, so it will become a squared minus 2ab minus b squared. So a squared and a squared will get cut here. Here a squared and a squared will get cut here. So this will become a plus b into, this is minus 2ab minus 2b squared. So minus 2ab minus 2b squared you get here. So I will take out 2b minus 2b, I will take it out. So minus 2b, so you are left with a minus b by, here you are left with minus 2b squared minus 2ab squared. Yeah, even if I do not write it also it will be fine. So I can write this as 2ab, okay, so this is minus 2b squared minus 2ab, again I will write this as, or I will write this as 2ab, so minus 2ab minus 2b squared, this is the term, minus 2ab minus 2b squared. So here also I will get minus 2ab minus 2b squared. So this and this will get cut, this and this will get cut, so you are left with equal to a plus b. See, this involves lot of calculation, you have to be very careful. Now we have to find the value of y. So y is equal to, again bring this to the numerator. So here it will be a plus b, so a cube minus 2a squared b minus ab squared plus a squared b minus 2ab squared minus b cube, then minus and minus will become plus. So that is it will become plus. So this and this will become plus. So now this will be plus a cube plus ab squared minus a squared b minus b cube by the denominator we have already done. So you do not have to repeat it. It is minus 2ab minus 2b squared. Now here we will do the simplification. Minus 2a squared b, here a squared b is there, a squared b is there, this a squared b and this a squared b will get cut, then ab squared, a squared b is getting cut, and then ab squared minus ab squared plus ab squared is getting cut, and then a cube and then minus b cube. So you are left with 2a cube, then 2a squared b, so minus 4a squared b. So a cube and this is over, and this is minus 2b cube by 2ab minus 2b squared. So this I will write it as 2b, somewhere I made a mistake, I think. I am sorry, I have made a mistake here. See, this is minus. So I have not considered that minus, that is why the answer was not coming proper. So we will add this negative. So whatever we have done is fine. We will simply change the sign. So this is minus, this will become plus, this will become plus, and this will become minus, this will become plus, and this also will become plus. So till here a b cube, this is the last term. So till here we have to change the sign because this minus is outside. Then this will not change, this is perfectly right. So this will become, now I will change this. So we will see what all will get cut. So a cube will get cut, and then 2a squared b minus this will get cut, then b cube and b cube will get cut. So we are left with ab squared, 2ab squared. So we are left with 4ab squared by now 2 minus 2b, I will take it out. So a plus b. So now here again b will get cut, 2 will get cut. So this will become minus 2ab by a plus b. So this is the answer.